Hi there, my name is Jeremy Krug, and as I record this video, the College Board has just released the 2026 AP Chemistry scores. I hope you've been able to log in and see how you did. I hope that the score you got was the score you were hoping for. Over 170,000 AP Chemistry exams were taken in May, and overall, the scores were pretty good. 15% of all exam takers got that coveted 5, which was a little bit down from 2025 when about 18% got a 5. Interestingly enough, there were more 4s this year, 31% compared to about 28.5% in 2025. Overall, 76% of students got a 3 or higher on the exam, and that was a little bit down from 2025 when it was 78%. In my opinion, this year's exam had some tougher free response questions than in the last couple of years, but College Board normally compensates for that by adjusting the cut score, so we didn't see a huge drop in the overall scores. As an AP reader, it's always interesting to see how you do on the exam. This year, I was assigned to read question 2 on the free response section, and even though I'm scoring hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of responses, I'm always rooting for you, and I get excited when I see students get all 10 points on a free response question or something very close to it. As the school year is over for almost all of us, I hope you've taken some time after your AP exams to get some well-deserved rest. Maybe take a little vacation. Personally, I've been able to get some rest myself, but at the same time, I'm also thinking ahead to next year. I've been doing some prep work on some brand new AP Chemistry videos, along with making some tweaks and updates to the ultimate review packet to get next year's students ready for AP Chem, which will be starting pretty soon in a lot of places. As you reflect on your AP score, if you got the score that you were hoping for, congratulations. You can give yourself a pat on the back. Treat yourself to something nice. AP Chemistry is absolutely a journey, and when done right, you spend the entire school year working toward your goal, and you've achieved your goal. The hard work you put into AP Chemistry will definitely pay off, not just in college science courses, but in everything you do in life. The work ethic that you improved, the problem-solving skills you honed in this class are going to help you in the future. So congratulations, and I'm proud of you. Now, if you didn't get the score you were hoping for, I know it's disappointing, but don't let that disappointment get the best of you. Remember not to let yourself be defined by a score. It's possible that the questions on the exam just didn't go your way, or you might have just had a bad testing day. Remember that the knowledge you gained in this class and the skills you developed are things that no one can ever take away from you. And a test score doesn't always reflect the knowledge you've gained and the growth that you've experienced this year. And if you're serious about getting college credit from your AP experience, remember that there are other ways to get that credit. For example, consider taking the CLEP exam in chemistry. Many colleges offer the CLEP exam for chemistry, and its content is very similar to the AP curriculum. Some universities offer challenge credit where you can take an in-house exam to gain credit for your chemistry knowledge. Or you can go ahead and take general chemistry courses in college. Since you've already had AP Chemistry in high school, you're going to be well ahead of the game if you decide to retake the 2 general chemistry courses in college. I do have one favor to ask of you. If you've found my videos helpful this year, it would be the greatest compliment if you could recommend my channel to next year's AP Chemistry students. Channels like mine are different than most on YouTube. The algorithm doesn't always recommend AP Chem videos to AP Chem students. In fact, every year I get lots of comments from students who've found my videos just a couple of days before the AP exam saying they wish they had found my channel earlier. So word of mouth advertising really does help grow my channel. And I also have a complete set of videos for first-year chemistry students as well, so thank you so much for that. Well, it's been quite a ride, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I want to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you all the best in your academic endeavors next year and in your future. Whether you're headed off to college this year or you're returning to high school, I wish you all the best as you move forward and reach your goals. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel and for being a part of my life this past year. Thank you so much for watching and have a great summer.